So I'm going to share my screen. So share screen starts now, right? So, and I'll be doing this training basically how to buy from your Naira account. So basically from your bank account, how to buy Grok, right? So that's it. So I go right away into, so the first thing you want to do that is that you go to your yellow card. You go straight into your yellow card, right? So I want to do it from the scratch, like somebody that does not have any digital asset in his wallet. So the first thing is that I come straight to my yellow card. Please, if you come in, just mute yourself. If you want to speak, you can unmute and speak. But I just want to focus on this training on how to buy Grok. So I don't want to be distracted. So I may not be able to entertain question until I'm done. Okay. So how to buy Grok. So the first thing is that you come to your yellow card, right? And then you click on deposit. Deposit. Just click on it right away. So I want to convert Naira to digital assets. That's the first thing you need to do, right? Okay. All right. So let me do 120,000 naira. 120,000 naira. Next. That's just a small amount of money. It's not up to $70. Okay, so let's do all right. Let me share my screen. So I'm doing this training in such a way that you want to buy Grok from your Naira account. So they've provided me an account to send the money to. This is the account number. I'm going to copy that account number, and then I'll go into my bank app. I'll go into my bank app and send the money there. Okay. I will send the sum of 120,000 naira there. So I'm trying to send the money, PANPay. So I want to send money from my bank account into yellow card so that I can convert 120,000 naira. Wow, the money has gone. So I've been able to send the money. Okay, I got the debit. Okay, So the training basically is on how to buy Grok. That's the training I'm doing so that everybody will know how to buy Grok from your bank account with your Naira. So I'm starting from the very beginning. Even somebody that has never been on blockchain, you've never bought digital asset in your life, this is your first time you can buy Grok now with this training. Okay, and of course, so I'm going to check. So I'll check. Okay, let me see. All right, so I'll come to the yellow card and I will say I made my deposit. I'll click I made my deposit. Then I'll click on done. I'll click on done, and then so I'll wait for the money to reflect in my yellow card. So while we are waiting, so that we can maximize our time, right? Let me just tell you some things about Grok, right? Yes, let me tell you some stuff about Grok. So it will help you, and you will know why you need to buy Grok and buy it now. It's not something that you need to delay. You need to buy it and buy it now. Okay, many people will reach out to me. So I'm doing this further training because we are waiting. You can see my balance. I have 6 naira 76 kobo in this wallet. That's what I have, 6 naira 76 kobo. And I just moved the sum of 120,000 naira from my personal account. I just moved it into this place. So the money has not reflected. So once the money reflected, I moved to the next phase of the training. So, but while we are waiting, you can see they said pending 120,000. They said pending 120. Okay. So once it reflects, it will show up here under your combined total, right? So while we are waiting for the money, so let me just tell you some few things about Grok. I think I posted some of those things in our private community. Please, if you are here and you've not registered for the master class for whatever reason, you just need to register for that class. Let me give you guys some example. You know, some people will reach out to me in my DM and they will tell me some things that they are going through, and they will say I should give them money. And the truth is, most of the time, I don't give them money. I don't give them money. But if I'm giving them money, I'm not helping them. That's just the truth. When you are begging for money, you are shutting down your creativity. You see, that art of you not having money is life telling you something. Life is telling you that there's some things, because if you don't have money, you don't like it. You don't like it. So, and life is telling you that you are doing something wrong. That's why you don't have money. When you begin to do something right, you're definitely going to have money. So what that person should do is that they needed to, challenge their brain, challenge their mind, and ask questions. How do I make money? How do I earn money? People borrow money to bury their loved ones. Maybe their father died, or their mother died, or their grandmother, or their people borrow money to do burial. People borrow money to pay tuition fee, school fees. People borrow money to pay school fees. People borrow money to travel abroad. People borrow money to do a lot of things. Yes, people borrow money to pay hospital bills, right? So there's nothing wrong if you borrow money to start a business that will help you to make more money. So, and how much is the master class? 25,000 naira. Now, this master class is not a training that you will do. You are looking for a job. It's a training that you will do. You become self-employed. And if you do it very well, you become a digital asset trader. You become a digital asset, investor. You become a digital asset broker. You become a digital asset business owner. You can become a digital asset big business owner. You can even become a blockchain developer. You do it very well, right? So, because nothing will happen until you make it happen. You are the one that will make it happen. So, if you think that I don't have the money, that's why I've not registered. You need to go and get the money anyhow. Just go and get it because that money is just too ridiculous. 25,000 naira is not up to $20. It's not up to $20. It's not up to what you even used to eat buffet. One breakfast at 4 points in VI. Just breakfast. Maybe with your wife or your fiancé or your girlfriend, whoever your partner is. It's not up to breakfast. Money you use for breakfast. That money. Myself and my daughter went to a restaurant to eat. We spent 16,000 naira. Me and my first daughter. 16,000 naira in one sitting. So 25,000 naira is not a big money. To learn a financial skill, financial intelligence. This one is not motivation. This one is a skill. It's a skill. Okay, so that's that. Let me check. Let me check if the money has dropped. So I don't know why this money is delaying. I sent it at 7:03. This is 7:12. Okay, so let me go and check my mail. Because they're supposed to send me an email that if they have received the money, sometimes they will receive the money. That app may still be saying pending. So you go and check your mail. Okay, it may be because of my network, but I believe I have a good network. Oh, they said did I see something? Oh, that means it's there. Can you see it now? That's why you need to go and check your mail. They said we received your deposit. Hello, Daniel. We allocated the amount of NGN 120,000 naira to your NGN wallet. This transaction is now complete and ready for you to start trading. So the money has been there since 7:08. Did you see that? And the app has not populated. That was why the app is telling me still pending. So it will reflect now. Okay, if you have that kind of challenge, that's how you will confirm. You go and check your email. If they have sent you email that the transaction is completed, then you will know that it's completed. Then what that now means is that you need to allow your app to populate. Did you see it? The money is there. Can you guys see the money?
Yes.
Okay, brilliant. So now what I will do now, I've been able to move money from my bank account to my yellow card account. So now what's the purpose? I want to convert this naira to digital assets. So what do? I click on USDT. Why am I clicking on USDT? USDT is a stable coin, and one USDT is equal to $1, right? And then it's a digital asset. So it's the digital USD, right? And then Bitcoin is here. I can use Bitcoin as well, but I don't want to use Bitcoin. I just want to use USDT. So I know that I convert my naira to US dollar, right? And then on yellow card, you can only buy and sell USDT and Bitcoin. Sometimes if you come in, they will say you can buy and sell ton. I'm not sure if that coin is activated for Nigerians. I will not even advise you to go and trade ton because those ones have yielded massive profits for early investors. So if you are trading them, you will not make huge profit from them. You just will be making 5%, 10% at most. If you are an expert trader, maybe you make 20%, right? So now I will now click on USDT. I'll click on USDT. I will now say buy. I'll click on buy because I want to use my naira to buy USDT. You can see that in my USDT account, I still have 6.76. So I click on buy. I click on buy. So just follow the prompts. Just follow the prompts. You can see in my USD. So I'll click on the top right where they wrote max. Max simply means maximum. It's a short form of maximum. You see, $69. That's the amount. I click on next. I told you 120,000 naira is not a big money. It's a small amount of money. It's not even up to $70, right? So what you do, you then put your PIN. Every time you put your PIN, you give approval to the transaction. So, and once you put your PIN, right, they are going to tell you, oh, your USDT is ready. So that's what they are telling me right now. Your USDT is ready. So they are saying my USDT is ready. So what will I do? I'll click on done. I'm done. So that is how to convert Naira to digital assets. Now, remember, Grok is actually paired with BNB. Why? Because Grok is built on Binance Smart Chain. Grok is built on Binance Smart Chain, and Grok is built on Binance Smart Chain. And if an asset is built on Binance Smart Chain, that means that asset must be paired or should be paired with Binance Native Coin or Binance USDT. So we paired it with Binance Coin, right? Because Binance Coin do fluctuate. It goes up and it goes down. And it will have somehow ripple effects on our project. Of course, ultimately, it's going to favor the project on the long term. So now I've converted it to USDT. And because BNB is not available on this platform, so I'm going to send this USDT. I will send it to my wallet inside Mexi. So what do? I go to Mexi. I'll go to Mexi, right? I'll look for Mexi app on my phone. I click on it. So when you are doing it, just be following what you are doing. Be following it. Be thinking, okay, why am I doing what I'm doing? This is the reason. That's why we came to Mexi. We want to buy BNB here. That's why we are here. So I'll click on deposit because I want to deposit money here. So what do I want to deposit? USDT. Remember, it's USDT that I have inside my yellow card. So I'll click on Matic. Why am I selecting Matic? Because I'm going to pay little amount of money. I've copied the wallet address, then I'll come back to yellow card and do what? I click on my USDT. Then I click on send. Remember, I click deposit in Mexi. I came here to click on what? Send. I want to send the money out because the money has done what it's supposed to do here. So I click on USDT wallet address. You select USDT wallet address. I click on I understand. Then I select network. So to select network, I will select which network now. Oh, they are improving. They now have 5 network. They have ton network. They've added ton network. So I will select Polygon. Why am I selecting Polygon? Because Polygon is free, right? That's why I'm selecting Polygon. I click on next. Then I click on yes, continue. Then I confirm the transaction. I'm okay with it. And then I'll put my PIN to give approval to the transaction. Yes, I'm going to put my PIN to give approval to the transaction. So once you see enter your PIN, just put your PIN there and give approval to the transaction. Okay. So and once you give approval, the money USDT send processing. So they said it's processing. So I want to buy. So I will use that money. You see, if you register for my masterclass, these are the things I'm going to coach you on how to do. And beyond this is just the list. I'm now going to be telling you the assets to buy. Now in our community, in our private community, we are minting some assets that will give us insane profit. Insane. When I say insane, we can earn as much as 1,000% between now and the next 30 to 45 days. 1,000%. And, it's crazy. It's crazy. What is possible, on blockchain is insane. So you can see it. I click on done. So you just have to join that masterclass. It's your best investment in yourself in 2024. Some people, they don't know that if you work and you earn money, you don't supposed to spend all the money on your body alone. You know what I mean by your body? You use it to buy clothes, to buy shoes, to buy car, to buy food, to pay your rent. All those things are for your body. Yes, you need to invest part of that money in your soul. You need to invest part of that money in your soul. Your soul is where your intellect is. So you need to pay for training. You need to go for training so you develop your soul. Making money is not something that happened by accident. It doesn't happen by accident. It's a deliberate action that people are taking to make money. Yes, very deliberate action. So you spend money on your soul too, because it takes your soul for you to earn that money. So, and you also need to put some apart for your spirit. That is the one you go and give to the spiritual organization that you believe in. Maybe it's a church or it's a mosque or you are the traditional whatever. So you just give it to religious organization that you believe in, you know, that are doing spiritual things, you know, for the advancement of humanity. That is investment in your spirit. You invest in your soul and you invest in your body. So all the money you earn is not meant for your body alone. Some people, this 2024, they've not spent a dime on their soul. Every money they earn, they use it to pay transportation, feeding, parents. That's not how to make money. It doesn't matter the size of the amount of money you are earning. You must invest in your soul. Very, very important. Very, very important. Your soul is the seat of your intelligence. So let's go to Mexi. Let me go and check. Let's check if that money has appeared inside Mexi. So the money has not showed up. So this is the wallet, right? So once the money appear here, it will show. So let me go and check the mail. Let me go and check the mail. Right? Let me go and check the mail. So maybe they've sent me an email from Mexi that they have received it. Because Mexi is supposed to send me an email that they receive credit alerts. You see, that's why I love blockchain. Everything that is happening is recorded. You can see Yellow Card have sent me their own email. They say USDT sent. You say, hi, Daniel. You just sent 69.36 USDT from your Yellow Card wallet to. Did you understand? So that's it. So let me go and check. You can see they sent when I bought. They sent email. I bought. Right? Everything is documented. You know, I love blockchain. We don't do anything. Everything is recorded. The deposit request, you know, when it was pending, when it was completed, everything. So the money has not reflected with Mexi. So Mexi have not sent their own email. So while we are waiting for Mexi's reflection of the stuff, let me just do a quick training about Grok so that you guys will understand why you need to buy Grok and why you need to buy it now. Okay? Let me go to our private community and just share one of the posts I dropped there. I think I even sent that post to almost everybody in my contacts because I send broadcasts to people that I have their contacts. Yes, this is it. What is Grok? Solid digital assets built on fundamental principle of blockchain. P2P. P2P. See, the fundamental principle of blockchain is that money should move from person to person. Money should move from one person to another person without the third party. If you want to send money to me from your location, a lot of people send money to me almost on daily basis. You understand? Because of the nature of my business. I'm operating in a financial market. If you're operating on blockchain, you're operating in a financial market. So when people want to send money to me, they request for my bank accounts. And when I give them my bank account number, the bank becomes the third party in that transaction. The person sending the money is the first party. Me, the recipient, is the second party. The bank is the agent, the third party. So the fundamental principle of blockchain is that money should be able to move from one person to another without the intermediary, without the third party. So that fundamental principle, that is what Grok is built on. And that is why Grok has tax system of 15% buy and 15% sell. What does that tell you? That tells you that as people talk to other people about Grok and they are onboarding other people into Grok ecosystem, they will be rewarded with 10% commission. So you earn 10% when you introduce Grok digital assets to other people, because Grok is built on that fundamental principle called P2P. Please note, this is a blockchain project. This is a crypto startup project. It's not a network marketing company. It's not a network marketing business. Yes, I need to state that clearly. Yes, I need to state that clearly, because some people may think that, oh, if I bring somebody to give me commission, maybe it's the network. It's not even maybe. It's not a network marketing. So it's optional for you. You may decide to just buy Grok and go and sit down in your house, or you go and lie down on your bed. You will still make money because you've invested and your assets will grow, right? And as the project is growing, as the project is advancing, as more people are coming into the ecosystem, your investment will be becoming more valuable. Yes, no doubt about it. You are going to make money. But if you now want to take it to the next level, because immediately you start talking to other people about digital assets, about blockchain technology, about cryptocurrency, and how they can create wealth for themselves and their loved ones, you become a digital asset broker. That's what you become immediately. Immediately, as you are talking, even if they have not onboarded, even if they have not signed up, you become a digital asset broker, just like a stockbroker. But it's just that you are not selling stock of companies. You are selling digital assets. You are selling digital assets of projects on blockchain. Do you understand? Now, when you onboard just two people, you become a business owner. You become a business owner. Because for you to be a business owner, you must have at least one or two other person working with you. You must not be working alone. If you are working alone, you are a self-employed person. Self-employed. So, and it doesn't matter those people that are working with you. They can be volunteer. They can be your employee. They can be your business partner. So when you onboard somebody on blockchain, that person automatically becomes your business partner. So, and when you onboard the second person, you guys are now 3 people in your team, right? Now, if you want to now get to a point that you become a big business owner, you must have at least 500 people working with you. That is what Forbes magazine said. They said for you to be a big business owner, you must have at least minimum of 500 people working with you. And when you get to that point, if you want to be a blockchain developer, you just need to tell me that, Daniel, I want to be a blockchain developer. And myself and my team, we are definitely going to help you to become that. Okay? So that is the fundamental blockchain principle that Grok is built on the principle of P2P, that money must move from person to person. So check it out now. It is everything everyone really wants. Low mcap project, low market cap project. Bitcoin started with less than $10,000 in market cap, right? So it's a low cap. Let me show you the assets. Let me check Mexi again, if the money has appeared. I don't know why Mexi is delaying. The money is supposed to have shown up by now. It's not here yet. The money has not arrived. Okay. So while we are waiting, let me go and check my mail, because I already have a low battery now and I don't want to go inside the house. My children, They are not sleeping yet. Their noise will be everywhere. I'm just on the street within my estate right now. So the thing has not shown up. They've not sent me a mail. No mail from them yet. Okay. So let me still be running through why you need to buy Grok. Now let me show you the market cap. If you want to check the market cap of Grok, what do? You go to Google. You first come to our Telegram community. When you get to our Telegram community, you click on the pinned message and then you click on it. You select this contract address, the one that ended with 4E11, 4E11 and started with OXD4. That is Grok contract address. You copy it and then you go to Google. When you go to Google, you type dextools.io. You want to see, you said dextools.io. Did you see that? You click on search. You search for it from Google, and dextools will upload. It will be populated on your device, and then you click on this search button that is beside star, this white star. You click on it, on this round icon. It's called search button, and you paste that contract address in the search pair by symbol, name, etc. So you paste it, and the system automatically pull out Grok from the exchange, from the blockchain, and show it to you. So you click on Grok, look at it. It's sitting at $32,000 market cap. What is $32,000 market cap? That market cap is ridiculous. That means you are getting the coin almost for free. Almost for free. And if you want to make huge amount of money on blockchain, you buy when the market cap is low. You buy it when the market cap is low. That's when you get in. So that the asset is going up, your investment also is going up. As the asset is going up, your investment and the project is going up. But many people buy projects when they are in multi-million-dollar market cap. Okay? Somebody was trading one asset, core. Okay? So that's how to check the market cap. So you can also check it on PoCoin. PoCoin.app. PoCoin.app. You can come here and check it. These ones will give you real life data about the project. They give you real life data about the project. Okay, you paste the contract address here where they wrote enter token / address. And once you paste the address there, right, you check it. It brings the details about the project out, including the chart. Look at the chart. You see the asset even pump high some days ago, and now is in the dip, and then from this dip it will pump up again and probably pump above this current pump, because Grok will definitely be moving from all-time high to all-time high. And what we are doing right now is actually organic marketing, and you can join us in the organic marketing that we are doing, because before we begin to do serious paid adverts, we want to get to $1 million market cap. $1 million market cap. All right. So, and at $1 million market cap, Grok would have done 300x. 300x, because Grok started around $3,000 market cap. So Grok has been making slow but steady progress. Slow, steady, and sure progress. So dive in, and this project will help you to become a digital asset broker. And then it will also help you to build your own digital asset-based community. Digital asset-based community. And it will help you to grow your business. You can become a big business owner. Just onboard 2 people into Grok project. And then scale it up to 500 people. You become a big business owner. And at the level of big business owner, if you make $500 per week, you should not even praise yourself. If you make $500 per week at that level, imagine you are making $2,000 every month. You are making $500 every week. Every week. And of course, it will still be growing. I'm telling you for free. If you build it to that point. Okay. So let me go and check again. Let me go and check Mercy again, because this training is actually about how to buy Grok. But I need to go through this process so that anyone that watched this training will be able to buy the assets. The money has shown up. Can you guys see it? Can you see the money?
Yes.
Okay, good. Good. So now that the money has shown up in Mercy, what do I do? That because I need to do something with the money inside Mercy. That was why I brought the money into Mercy. So the money is in USDT. Let me click on spots. You can see the money is in USDT, 69.91. So what do? I convert it to BNB. Why? Because Grok is paired with BNB. Grok is paired with BNB. So I'll click on markets. I'll click on markets, and then from this place we are going to be moving very fast. I'll now search BNB. I'll search BNB at the top there. You will see it. Just type BNB. Then I will look for BNB/USDT. Under spots, you will see futures, BNB USDT perpetual. Don't click on that one. Look for spots and look for BNB/USDT. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, it brings me to this interface where you will see buy and sell button. Buy and sell. That tells you that I'm now on centralized exchange. On centralized exchange, that's where you will see this button, buy and sell. So what do I want to do? Buy. I want to use my USDT to buy BNB. Why? Because I need BNB. I need BNB to buy Grok. So I will click on buy. Do you understand? So now when I click on buy, the order book is on the left, and then where I will organize my trade is on the right. It's on the right. So we have 569.4. That guy want to sell at 569.4, and my price under limit is at 569.4. Everything aligned. Okay, so what do? You will see this white dot under a line. Under a line. So I will just drag it to the extreme end. I drag it to the extreme end, and I click on buy BNB. Now it has changed to 569.6. So I can adjust it. I'll change this 0.4 to 0.6. It changed to 0.7, 0.8, 0.7. Okay, let me leave it. Let me quickly be fast and buy it before it change again. Okay, submitted successfully. I bought it. Now, if I go, I will now go to my wallet. Your wallet is on your downward right on your device. So I click on wallet. You can see USDT has changed to BNB. USDT has changed to BNB. So what do I now do? I go to my Trust wallet, because I'm going to buy Grok from Trust wallet. Trust wallet is a decentralized wallet protocol that hold and reflect your digital assets. So I put my passcode, and then what do? I look for BNB inside my wallet. I click on the BNB. Okay, I click on receive. I want to receive money, BNB. I click on copy. You click on copy, and then straight I go back here. I go back to Mercy. Now I'm in Mercy. What do? I withdraw. You click on withdraw. I want to withdraw the money. I've done what I want to do in Mercy. So I'll click on withdraw. I'll select on-chain withdrawal. On-chain withdrawal. Then I paste it. I paste that address that I copy from Trust Wallet. I pasted it in the withdrawal address section. Then the network is BSC. BSC means BNB Smart Chain. BNB Smart Chain. Because this asset is built on BNB. BNB is the native coin of Binance ecosystem. So I'll come here, you will see all. You click on all, because I want to withdraw the whole money. So I click on all, and then I select confirm. Confirm. Once I click this confirm, They asked me to confirm withdrawal. I confirm it again. And then they want to confirm I don't have passkey next time. So now they say verification. I need to verify. So I click on get code. I click on get code. So now they will send code to my email. So I'll go to my email and go and look for the code. I'll go straight to my email. So I'll go to my email. Look at it. Withdrawal request. See, 0.122. So look at the code. 349202. So I'll put it right here. 349202. 202. So I come here, SMS code. I click on get code. So they will send code to my SMS, to my mobile phone. Look at the code has arrived. 317287. 317287. Then I click on confirm. They say withdrawal successful. So now you can see I will now go to my trust wallet to go and confirm if the money has reflected in my trust wallet. You put your passcode. So I'll go and check. You know I was having $1 in my BNB before. So it should be $70 plus when that money arrived. And the money will arrive, I have $43 before. Okay. So the money will arrive. Look at it, the money has arrived. Can you guys see the money? Can you see the money?
Yes.
So once the money arrives, what do? You come to our Telegram community and copy our contract address from the pinned message. So I copy it. I come back to my trust wallet. I click on my downward right, discover. Discover is there. I type on the search bar here, PancakeSwap. Once you type PAN, the app will show. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange. So you click on it, and that exchange is where Grok is listed on. Grok is not on Binance exchange. It's not on Coinbase exchange. It's not on any centralized exchange. It's on decentralized exchange. So now, once I get there, I'll click on connect. I'll connect my wallet to this DApp, decentralized application. I select injected. My wallet is connected. So what you will do, you will click on this setting icon. You click on this setting icon to adjust your slippage to tolerance. You can see 0.1, 0.5, 1.0. This last one, it used to be 0.50. So, but you will now change it to 2.2. So you just click on it, your keyboard you show, and you put 2.2, 22 there. Once I put 22 there, you close it. You close it by clicking on this multiplication sign, which also represent close. Okay, and then I will come to this BNB and type 0.12. I've typed 0.12, and then I come on cake. I click on cake. Click on cake itself, and then I'll paste that address that I copy here in the search by name or paste address. I'll paste. Once I paste it there, it brought out Grok. You can see it. It brought it out. Right? You can see I'm holding 24,619,430 Grok. Now I'm going to increase it now. I'm increasing my holdings now. So, and then what do? I swap anyway. I click on swap anyway. So I click on swap anyway. He asked me to type confirm. I'll type it, confirm. Everything must be in small letter. Your own, if you don't see it, you don't need to type it. But if you see it, type it there. So you see I'm buying $68 worth. Approve. And then I put my passcode. Boom, I bought it. Transaction receipt. Successful. You remember I was holding 24 million token before. Let's go and check what I'm holding now. So let's go and check what I'm holding now. This is Grok in my wallet. Look at it. I was holding 24 million before. 24,619,429. I'll click on it. I'm holding 35 million now. 35 million Grok. So that means I've added additional 11 million. So that is how to buy Grok. Now, if you want to check, you can now check. You can see that the amount is not showing here. It's showing 0.00. You just go back to that. You go back to the exchange, PancakeSwap. You click on discover. You type pancake here. Because I always go there to do things. It's already here. So I will just click on it. That was why I say pay attention to what you are doing. So now what do? I'm here now. You can see this arrow in the center, in the middle, between BNB and Grok. One is facing up, one is facing down. Click on the arrow. What the arrow will do is that it will take Grok up and bring BNB down. So because I want to check the amount of in dollar, so I will now type 35,326,700. 35,321,700. See what Grok I'm holding. $210 worth of Grok. That's what I'm holding. So that's how to see your value. If you want to see it, you want to see if your asset is growing or not, you come and check it here. So that's how to buy Grok. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to end this video because I'm recording it and it's meant for people that want to buy Grok, that has been asking me, how do I buy Grok? How do I buy Grok? So I want to send this video to them so that they can be watching it and be following the pattern and be using it to buy Grok assets. Okay, but if you don't have Trust Wallet, that means you need to download Trust Wallet. You don't have Mexi, you need to download Mexi. You don't have Yellow Card, you need to download Yellow Card. Get registered, get sign up, get your seed phrase. You get verified, you get registered and verified on Yellow Card. You get sign up on Mexi, and you get your seed phrase on Trust Wallet. Don't just download it and then think it will start working. No, you need to activate it. So that's how it works. So I'm going to end this video and then, yes, I need to end the video so that it will not be too long, right? So, or let me stop recording. Let me just stop recording.